I don't know. So we got these. I compressed them up and they expanded good, like no issues whatsoever. I don't think they're leaking. I don't hear nothing. I don't see nothing. I don't have the gauge in there to really tell, but it looks pretty solid. So that one looks like, that one looks different from the other one, huh? Oh no, it looks the same. So now, I don't know what to do after this, dude. So now I'm having trouble with these things. These, and then, what if I release air? What do you think will happen?
Strong.
Let me see, I'm gonna try it. Yeah. Okay. They just compress back.
Like down?
Yeah, like how they had it. Just let it all release. Are you smoking over there? Hmm?
Oh, sorry.
Oh, you're not smoking?
Dude, this actually works, bro. Really go. Oh, jeez.
God damn it! Can I get at your vape?
Yeah,
Can I get some of your vape?
I don't puff fast right away, but wait.
Dude, fuck you then, bro. Fuck you. Oh, hold on. You can't really see it, but it's going up slowly. Only reason it's going so slow is because I have one compressor. We were like, why is it going so slow? But it's because I only have one compressor. So now I just gotta connect. So I figured it out. Now it's pretty loud in here. So I gotta run this to the inside of my car, and then it'll be good. Slowest era of the century.
Yeah!
You don't even teach to add slow mo. Shut the hell up. Huh? I don't even think that's still. Oh shit! I am hitting like the bottom, not the rear though. There we go. It died, so I had to jump start it. There we go. You guys get at the. I have to wait a little bit. Damn.
How hard is that? How hard is that? The receipt's right there, the fucking item's right there, it's not been used. What the fuck is your problem? Why can't you return it? Oh my fucking god, it's a fucking wrapper, a why is that such a big deal? You were just gonna return it for me. What the fuck? Then when I say I want to talk to the manager, you want to have not do it for me? That's fucking bullshit. Yeah. Yeah. Corporate. Whatever fucking somebody bigger than me. Period. I'm not going nowhere until you're my nigga. Nowhere. You're closing. I don't give a fuck. I'll stay here all night. All night.
This? Oh look! Oh, I went to O'Reilly's to get some wiring and some this shit right here to try to figure out what's this. We connect it. I connect it, but it just clicks. It doesn't start up. So something's going on. I don't know. I need to figure out what's going on, basically. But probably one of these is a ground. So I need a ground from one of these to the... Oh. Forget to make the outro, but anyways, I finished up. I connected everything. That little module, I still didn't figure it out. I kind of did, but I think I need an on and off switch to turn it on and turn it off and all that good stuff. But I didn't have one, so I'm going to wait till tomorrow. It's already like hella late, so I'm just gonna do that tomorrow, and then we should be good. We should be good. We should be up and running. But anyways, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. There's a cop right there, and I'm on my phone. That's how you do it. Fuck you, cop. Well, anyways, thank you guys for watching. Peace out. See you in the next. Yeah, peace out.